I don't know why, but for some reason his design feels wrong here. Is it just me?
Calm down, man. Let's take a chill pill and discuss this like grown-ups.
Seriously, did Sonic just say that to EXE? Even if you don't know EXE, you can tell just by looking at him that this is a bullcrap. That's like someone telling Michael Myers to see a therapist. That was the weakest blow I've ever seen. And if this is FNF, why can't Sonic drop rings? And Sonic would lose rings because of this. That's a lot of rings. I mean sins. Guess there was a lot. Here, I'll just add 2 movie scenes and 1 joke scene. Sin.
Yeah, how long it took to collect all those? Knuckles! Tails! But where are you? There you slowpokes are.
Did Sonic get dementia since the last time he saw them? They don't look anything like this. Tails is yellow as has freaking eyes, would reply to you, and the inside of his ears are not black. And for Knuckles, he isn't that shade of red, has eyes and doesn't have a cross on his eyes.
Have any rings left? No! Ah!
You know what? I'm just gonna say ew every time someone becomes uncanny. Also, Sonic's fingers here look like sausages that have been bleached and cut in half with nutting scissors.
Please, spare me! Ah! Ah!
Where did the second scream come from? Wasn't he already eaten? And why are B, F, and G of Joe Sulky here? And why are we in Lord X domain and not Faker's Forest?
That sounds like Sonic.
Bullcrap! How can you tell the difference between Sonic and Sonic's voice actor?
I knew that distress call was legit.
But he's probably dead, right? Let's get out of here before we join him!
No, wait.
I'm sorry. What player? Even the eye flowers are confused. Ew.
Dead body!
He's just missing some rings, girlfriend.
That's not how Sonic dying works, player. Also, even though he was eaten, his body's here.
Let's ask Knuckles for help.
Knuckles died, remember? I think that's something else.
Video game rules? He probably respawned.
Okay then, genius. Why didn't Sonic respond then? No. That mic looks like a rock with lines on it. Also, when did Faker have mic? Ew, plus, no, plus what, plus, why a punch when you are literally a killer, plus, don't care, plus, didn't ask, plus, you're gay. Amazing lip syncing. Did EXE just punk slap her? You know what? I'm adding freezes every time they do something physical like this. Also, does the girlfriend have powers in GT? Sonic Boom! That's not how that works, .exe. Is it an actual Sonic or a Sonic character, bro? He's literally a monster.
Now's your chance, girlfriend. Run!
First off, these two are not the same. EXE is just a monster and Sonic.exe is the demon that uses his form, while Faker is his form. Secondly, why is he so short? He makes Boyfriend look tall. Truly, ew. Lastly, didn't we just see him die? Did he time travel?
his domain. He probably sees everything.
We've already got one ring. We find a few more, we can bring Sonic back and even the playing field.
Great line delivery.
Is he gone?
For now, let's make a fire. I'm exhausted.
You can just, leave the same way you came.
Is it bad?
I'm about as far from a doctor as you can get, so maybe?
I think it's spreading. Look.
I'm sorry, since when could Sonic.exe infect people? He's Sonic.exe, not Virus.exe. He's a demon, not a virus.
Don't want to eat you.
What?
Please, save Sonic.
Knuckles was supposed to be on the left of BS, and on the right was supposed to be Tails. So that's why in the art it looked almost exactly like that, but it turns out that idea was kind of bad because you didn't get to see Eggman's full face.
So I wanted to ask, like Tails, Knuckles, and Eggman, what's exactly happening with them? Like, so are they souls of victims that Sonic has killed, and they're like not actually Tails and Eggman and stuff?
The real Tails and Eggman are dead. They were replaced instead by demons, or like lost souls. So that's why they take the form of them, but they're not really them.
Look, girlfriend, rings!
They take the form of them, but they're not really them.
Ew. But I'll remove a sim because they didn't make Sonic.exe and Sonic the same person, which is a common misconception.
Phew, nobody...
Sonic can brought back to life with a ring. Like when you die in the Sonic the Hedgehog, you fall off the screen, and sure, that's only in the game, but so are the rings.
Wait, player. Something's off here.
What's off? No, seriously, what the frick is off?
Could just eat you up.
No, he has the rings. All we did was make him more powerful.
Player, don't let him take me.
Let her go, freak, or I'll make you.
And exactly how are you gonna do that? He's an omnipowerful demon, and why does he rap BF? In the game, it's because he can't kill him unless he loses in a rap. Also, frick you GF, you can just use your powers to escape. While Sonic.exe does have a mic that happens to be red, Xenophase's face free of Sonic.exe does not. Amazing lip syncing. I don't remember this being a feature Sonic.exe could, so also your Sonic.exe you could just kill him normally. Do I even need to say it? They ruined my third favorite song in the... Here's a fun image to keep me from explanation. Your son has passed away. With that being said, I'm still gonna explode. Freak you, there's 50 cents. What? How and why did... Frick this, I'm still angry, so 4 cents for each mistake. Ew. Freak you lazy composers and animators.
Whoa, are those Chaos Emeralds? What is this place?
There's a moving through portals bends your arm, huh? Okay, joke aside, why is he doing this? Oh no. Please don't ruin my favorite Sonic.exe mod character.
I can feel how powerful he is, but it doesn't matter. I'm coming for you, girlfriend.
Man, freak you! I'm not holding back with the sins now. First off, he looks like expired crap that was bleached. Next, his P-word is not the same, so the shape is crap. Next, great lip syncing, you lazy, money hungry punks. And they are the same, you craphead.
Let's see how fast.
Damn it, even the pose is wrong. Super Sonic or any Sonic always has a knee bent up when transforming. Hell, even the actual FNF Fleetway has this. He didn't even need to dodge it, it's the weight above his head. Also this is supersonic speed, so how do you dodge it? It is beyond me. You aren't even singing. In fact, I count all the times you didn't sing. He really died from that, not tripped you. Bull crap. Why is everything taking so long? You He just died, but he screamed? Okay, I'm calm. Now it's time for me to add a scene for every song in the mod they skip. You can run cycles, milk, sunshine faker, and too fast. Frick this video, man. Scene tally 71, joke tally 9, sentence.
We've already got one ring. We find a few more, we can bring Sonic back and even the playing field.